Bad days. They always come. Most people try to run away from them. I hate them, but they will always come. They might come in the best phase of your life. Everything is going according to your plan. Everything is going in the right direction. And even then, you'll feel sad. You'll feel depressed, anxious. You don't know what to do. They always come. Maybe every 2 weeks, maybe every 3 weeks, maybe every week, maybe every day. But they will always come. Now, there's a lot of mistakes that people do when dealing with those problems. The number one mistake I see people doing is trying to save the day, trying to change a bad day into a good day. Imagine you are on a river and you're trying to swim, but you're trying to swim against the current. What will happen? Nothing. You'll be in the same place, but now you are just more tired. Because you didn't embrace the flow of the river, you fought the flow of the river. The same thing in the bad days. If you try to change a bad day into a good day, nothing will happen. You'll just make it worse because you'll be tired. You are not embracing the flow of the day. Stop trying to change the feelings. Sometimes it's okay to be sad. Sometimes it's okay to be depressed. You don't have to be happy every single hour of the day, because if you do, if that's your objective, is to be happy, you will always be miserable. What you will do is slow down, embrace the feeling, embrace being sad, embrace being depressed or anxious. Keep on moving, keep on going, right? Because this is the main objective. It's for you to keep on building your business, or to continue to lose weight, or to continue to improve your body. You will still want to do it, but you don't have to do it for 10 hours straight at 250%. You can slow down. Maybe do it for 2 hours, relax a little bit more, take more time. Instead of doing 10 calls per hour because you're trying to get clients, slow down, make 6, 7. Your objective is to keep on walking, but do not force yourself too much because you'll end up drowning in the river. Do not fight the current. Embrace the current, and this is going to change your life, because if you stop trying to change the bad days into good days, turns out that bad days are not so bad. Turns out that bad days, you can slowly keep going and nothing will happen. Mistake number 2, leaving it for tomorrow. It's not every day that a bad day comes, so if sometimes when it comes you don't do nothing all day, it's no problem. It is a big problem. Bad days are here as a test. Because if every day was a good day, then every day was easy for you to work out, for you to eat good. Bad days are here as a test to see if you can still do everything that you need to do even when you don't feel like it. That's the whole purpose of bad days. The bad days are the most important for you to keep on moving. That's the test days. That's the days that are going to show you if you really want to work for something. Because if you don't do nothing on the bad days, that means that you are not really invested in whatever you're doing. Because you only do it when it's easy. After a bad day, you get to bed, you did everything you needed to do, and you're like, damn, I'm proud of myself. I'm proud that even when I didn't feel like it, I was sad, I still went to the gym. Even though I didn't push as hard as I normally can, I still went to the gym. I still went for that walk. I still went for that meeting. I still called people when I didn't feel like it. I really didn't feel like it. I still did what I needed to do, because that's your responsibility. Your responsibilities is to do things even when you don't want to do it. Is to do things like you love it even when you hate it. Mistake number 3. People can't reorganize their days. Yes, maybe in that specific day you are going to do so much creative work, you're going to have so many new ideas, you're going to film so many videos, but as you know, on a bad day, normally you can't really function that well with creative work. You can't really think, you can't have new thoughts, and you'll stay hitting your head for 10 hours straight trying to have new ideas, and you'll not be able to do it. I had this so many times in my case, where I'm trying to film videos, where I'm trying to have new creative ideas, and what happens? I'll just stay in my chair for 10 hours straight and be miserable. Until I switched my mindset. Instead of trying to do the creative work when I can't, I switched around. What can I do now, even when I'm sad? Maybe, if today I don't need to go to the gym, maybe I'll go to the gym. Because physical work doesn't depend on my feelings, doesn't depend on emotions. If I need to do interviews and calls, doesn't really depend on my emotions. I can still make the calls, I can still make meetings. Just adapt. It's not about how many hours you work on something, it's about the results that you have. Why would you invest 10 hours in something when in the end you have nothing to your name? Just step back and go do something else, something that you can actually do. You'll thank me later. I know this is a short video, but if you fix these mistakes, I guarantee you that your bad days are not going to be so bad anymore. And remember, stay productive.